Hello everyone, thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Charlene from stampwithshar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. I've got a super cute project to share with you today, and these are these tiny little, it's a stand that holds these little boxes. Super cute. Now I did in Mossy Meadow and I did in Mary Merlot, and these are great for your table when you're having people over. It's hard to see from the angle above, but the way these sit on your place settings is super cute. So I'm going to show you how we do this. So I'm going to move that over. I've got a piece of Mary Merlot cardstock. I have my ink, my stamps. The stamp set I'm using is First Frost, and I'm going to do tone on tone. So I'm going to use the Mary Merlot ink, and you are going to stamp this entire 8.5 by 11 inch. And I'm alternating the stamp, so I'm going this way, that way, this way, that way. You're then going to take the flower and fill in the flower everywhere. Once you get done your stamping, you're kind of making your own paper a little bit. What we're going to do is we're going to bring in our Stampin' Trimmer, and we're going to cut this down to 5.5 inches. We're going to bring in our Big Shot. And we're going to die cut these squares. Now you can get 2 of these out of this half sheet. You're going to run it through your Big Shot. This piece here you can save for another project. You're going to bring your trimmer back in, and you're going to line up corner to corner, and you're going to cut that away. Then on the other 3 corners you are going to score. So using the lighter blade, you're just going to score the remaining 3 corners. Now would be the time if you wanted to emboss anything. On the red one, I embossed in gold, which I kind of like that. But again, that's optional. You could also put somebody's name. So you are going to fold these scores. And then you're going to come in with your liquid glue. I like to use the liquid glue because it gives you a few minutes to adjust. And you're just going to hold that a few seconds. And that's your little stand that the little cube box is going to sit on. Now these cube boxes are really cool. They're clear tiny treat boxes, and you get 16 in a package. So really inexpensive. And the film, there's a film on here to protect the box. You're going to peel that away, And then you're just going to start forming this little treat box. What I like about this project is that it comes together super quick. So when you're strapped on time, this is a great wow factor for your table, but in no time to create it at all. Now you can stuff this with chocolate. Again, it's whatever you have. I just had candy for the video. But you can put little Hershey's Kisses in this box. You're going to stuff your box. And then we need to create the belly band. So again, we're going to come in with our trimmer. The other piece that we had, we're going to cut it down to 1 3/4. And now we need to do some scoring. Now, if you miss any of these measurements, I will have a written detailed description over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. So don't stress, everything will be there. You move these out the way. Okay, so we need to score this at 1 inch, 3 1/16. So you got the 3-inch mark. It's the very next tick mark after the 3. So that's 3 1/16. We got 5 1/8. So 5 and then 2 tick marks is 5 1/8. And then 7 1/8. Again, the 7-inch mark, 2 tick marks after the 7. And that's 7 1/8. There's a shorter side and a larger side. On the shorter side, you are going to add some tearing tape. Oops. And then you're going to, this is the bottom of the box. You are just going to wrap this around like so. And that, my friends, is this beautiful little cubed package for your dinner table. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you don't miss my next video. If you're here in the US and you're interested in any of these products that I used in today's video, I will have them linked down in the description below. I will also have a written detailed description with measurements over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, so I hope you'll head on over there. And I hope everybody has a wonderful week ahead. Thank you so much for stopping by. Take care.